Welcome to KikoChat. This is a very quick and informal overview of how to create an online Edcamp. Go to kikochat.com, which is our homepage, and scroll to the bottom. Near the bottom, you'll see a button that says Create a New Circle. That is going to be the basis and the landing page for your online Edcamp. When you click the blue button, you'll be prompted to log in. There's many options with social media. You can choose any or create a new account with your email. Once you're logged in, you'll find the page where you can create that new circle. I'll create a title and a description of this circle, which is My Example Edcamp. There's many different options here, such as customizing the URL that you want people to go to, but these are all optional. Let's go down to Create Circle, and when you click it, you'll find your circle loads with many tools automatically, such as scheduling live events. You have a water cooler, we call it the Live Cafe, where people can meet for impromptu video chat at any time. There's Q&A, so people ask for recommendations and receive recommendations in written form from the other participants. There's written conversations, which go in many directions at the same time, yet can stay organized. There's blog articles with comments, that's pretty standard. There's a peer-to-peer newsletter that can go out once a week. Everybody gets to add one item to the newsletter so that every week there's fresh ideas being shared by all the participants. And then you can search, and there's also more, such as how to share information with other participants through the form of flashcards and how to visualize all the content in word cloud. So there's plenty to explore here. Once you create your circle, you'll see that there's a Google map of everybody who has already registered for your circle, and it'll automatically expand to fit on screen all the participants, whether they're across the country or all in one local area. There's chat built into every page. We can close that. You'll see a list of all your members as they sign up right here. So if I want to schedule an event, on the right side of every page, you'll see a red button that says Add Event. It's pretty simple. You're taken to the Live Events page. Click the red button to add an event and add your title and description. Set the time and the duration, and click Schedule Event. And so this is how participants in your Edcamp would schedule their own Edcamp unconference session. Sessions are at the heart of any unconference, and the idea is that it's self-organized, meaning that people can take charge of their own experience and schedule the sessions that they want to talk about. So let's enter one of these sessions and see what tools are available. People can RSVP here, and you can see who is expected to attend and who is present on the page. There's also space for comments below. Right here, you can dial in by telephone or use computer microphone when it's time to have your live session. We'll click Dial in by telephone, and we can dial in this number with this access code. I won't do that now since you can hear me through the video. There's no need for me to dial in at this moment. So I'll click to view the main table. And there's a lot that's happening on the main table. You've got many tools for people to collaborate all at once. In the center of the screen, you'll see collaborative notes. Everybody's going to be able to type in a different color, and many people can type at the same time. So you can have a very collaborative experience. You can use that for brainstorming, sharing links, etc. If you want to load links right here on this page, click Share Links and Files, and you can embed any website or any collaborative tool that's online right in this space. You can also use the tool we have for drawing sketches together. So this is a beautiful work of art that I created earlier today, just a smiley face right here. And also any participants can also screen share. So click Screen Share and you'll see the options here for sharing your screen. So we'll jump back to the notes. There are many other tools such as sharing status. You can say, ready to go. So that'll show up right over here, so you can see if people have to step away from their computer for a moment or if there's any other message that they need to share without interrupting the flow of the conversation. They can click Raise Hand so you can get a stack of people who want to speak next, and this way no one feels frustrated that they have something to say but they can't get a word in. So that Raise Hand tool is going to be very useful. You can see all the breakout tables that are happening. So if you want to have small group discussion, we recommend groups of 3, 4, or 5 people so that everyone can engage in depth. So people would jump to different breakout tables and they'd all cover the same topic, or you can have them covering different topics. And finally, there's also the share video. So video is optional because we're communicating either by computer microphone or through our telephone. But if you want to use video, click Share Video. Your browser will prompt you right here to enable your video, and you can see me. This is my webcam video right here, and right next to me would be all the other participants that also choose to share video. So see that there are many options here on KikoChat for hosting very interactive Edcamp sessions. We look forward to seeing what you do with this tool. Please do reach out to us at hello@kikochat.com. Have a great Edcamp experience, and we'll see you online.